Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the J22 report. I am your host, Johnnie Market. You all know that drill. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you already haven't. And just a little disclaimer, nothing said on this channel should be construed as investment or financial advice. It's just my opinions, thoughts on the market. You can see more in the disclaimer below. But yeah, let's get into today's stuff. We'll go into data and really big news today. I found this out. I had to share it with you. And so, first things first, going the economic data, it's been pretty mixed. It's not really groundbreaking. Like, you look at the building permits, it's down 7%. But the Chicago Fed national activity, that was actually strong, up 0.15. New home sales beat expectations. And Dallas Fed manufacturing is up 14. So you look at it, but today's data, durable goods declined 2.2%, way below consensus. And if you look at it too, the Schiller price in home, that declined 1%. And if you look at it, decreased 0.1% month over month in November. And if you actually look at it, I remember this being the third month in a row it's declined. Now it's very minimal. That's following a 0.2 drop in October. So if you look at it, this is yeah, if you look at the Case Shiller, August that was down 3%, September down 3%, October down 2, down 1%. So this is starting to crack a little bit. And this is I mean, there is a housing bubble. The housing market is starting to crack, and I think this is one reason we're going to see more rate cuts. I think Trump's picking this fight because he knows he's ultimately going to win it. And I always look for, if you actually look at it, I'm trying to look for Dallas. There's Dallas in here, and I'm looking for the South. There was another one. Oh, Florida. I'm looking for Florida. There, I don't see a Tampa. But if you look at it, housing market, I thought it was 4 months in a row, this Case Shiller. That is a big deal and continue to monitor it. I don't think it's going to be rug pulled yet, but who knows? Housing price index, that has gone up 3%. I don't know exactly what that's made up for. It's average price of single family homes with mortgages guaranteed by Freddie. So that is really, yeah, that shows that it's still being cost, but you see with this Case and Schiller, still down. Other news in the economy, if you look at this, I want to report this. Store closures hit the highest level since the pandemic. So this is really, look at this. Store closes in the US spiked in 2024. And they're expected to rise by 15,000 this upcoming year. So if you look at it right here, Party City, Macy's, this is all discretionary income. People don't have jobs, or if they do have jobs, it's solely going to bills. Big Lots, 7-Eleven, Macy's, Walgreens. These are just stuff people need. And I cover this on Amazon, Costco, Walmart as seekers seek value and convenience. And if you actually look at that, this is not really spike in bankruptcies contributed to high number of closures in 2024. So if you look at it, the consumer's not doing well, stores are closing, but this might be the most biggest sign of a top. If you look at it here, Nancy Pelosi sold Nvidia just millions before DeepSeek caused collapse. Now, if we were a serious country, she would be locked up. She wouldn't be running the government. She would be locked up. This is just blatant. I can't even go anymore. I think anymore. Look at this. Nancy Pelosi sold stock worth millions just before it collapsed due to the Chinese, DeepSeek. So here it is, and of course, her record is impeccable. So sold 10,000 shares of Nvidia on New Year's Eve. That's where she got it. She also got rid of Apple, which was valued between 5 to 25 million. And she purchased options in Google and Google and Amazon. So Trump's questioned the timing of Pelosi's trades. Yeah, so of course, look at the impeccable track record. Sold Visa just before it announced it's being sued by the Department of Justice. So yeah, Nvidia. I think this is if Pelosi sold it, I can't help but think. I think Nvidia's finished. Pelosi sold Apple. They sold Nvidia. And they're probably finished. I don't know what they know. If I did, I'd tell you. Let's look at Alphabet though. They bought stuff, and I wonder if Google's going to win a big contract because, and if you look at 1 month, it's only up 1.56. I would love to see Alphabet crash. That would be no greater. And then there's Amazon. That's only up 6.4 percent. But anyway. I can't help but think maybe, obviously, she bought Amazon and Google, so the tech bull market's not over. I think it's coming to a top soon, but I think Nvidia's finished and maybe AI's finished. So what did she find out? I don't know. So, but I am now bearish on the video. I mean, I can't argue with the results. So anyway, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Just remember, nothing should be construed as financial investment advice, just my opinion, uh, and my thoughts on the market. Don't invest on me. Anyway, I will see you next video.